This fluorescence microscope consists of biological microscope and LED fluorescence illuminator. The microscope host is infinite optical system, compatible to different attachment, to get observations of fluorescence and bright field. Also, it can be upgraded to phase contrast and dark field, used to study cells, biological tissue, bacteria and microorganisms. Let us see its components. It is host, power line, LED fluorescence attachment, power adapter, eyepieces, microscope camera, and C-mount adapter to connect it. USB cable line. Then let us get back to check components in host. There are trinocular head, nosepiece to hold objectives. They are mounted well already. It has 4 objectives in total, 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x. This is stage. It has a slide holder. Light condenser is under the stage. Field diaphragm. Coarse focusing knob. Fine focusing knob. There are devices in the knob. At left-hand side is loose and tension ring, and right-hand side is lock device. Before using, you need to unlock it. Now let us start mounting. Firstly, loosen the screws in microscope head. Turn it back to front. Lock the screw. Mount eyepieces. Firstly, take off the dust cover. Insert in eyepieces. Next, install the fluorescence attachment. Loosen screw. Take off the head. Notice the port on it. Put on the attachment inclinedly, then align it. Lock the screw. Then put the head back and align. Lock the fixed screw with an Allen driver. Next step, install camera. We need to take off the dust cover cap first. Put on C-mount adapter. Tighten the screw. Take the camera. Take off its dust cover cap. Slightly screw in. Connect USB cable. Lock 2 fixed screws. Connect another port of USB cable to the PC. Connect the microscope power line. Power on. Put on fluorescence sample. Moving stage to light sample area on the objective. Rotating the wheel to get a suitable brightness. Lifting the condenser the most up. Rotating coarse focusing knob and then fine focusing. Watching in eyepiece and keep focusing till the view is clear. When move to different zoom times objective, the aperture diaphragm should be matched the zoom times. Aperture diaphragm controls amount of light. If you are using E/X objective, but field diaphragm is 6 position, the view will be dark. To use fluorescence, connecting power adapter first, and close the bottom bright field light. Lifting down the condenser to the lowest position. Power on. Rotate the knob to get the suitable brightness. Push in the lever to move the fluorescence filter cube in. Do not need fluorescence, pull it out. It is done.